what's up guys? We are here in Belize. We're trying to meet some beautiful girls here, trying to ask them how it's dating in Belize. Hey, what's your name?
My name is Ramani.
Ramani, and what's your name?
Hazel.
Hazel. You guys have like Instagrams and stuff?
Yeah.
So maybe at the end of the video I'll be putting their Instagrams here. Wanna know how it's dating in Belize? How is dating in Belize?
Well, dating in Belize is sometimes complicated, single, marriage. It all depends.
So like how is it here? Let's say if me I'm a guy and I want a girl in Belize. What are the rules for me?
Just go to the club.
Go to the club? That's how you find like cute girls?
Not cute, but
What? Yeah, you know they are laughing so I can't tell what they mean by that.
just go to the club to find some girls there. They're always there.
And you gotta dance right.
Yeah.
So if you don't know how to dance, you can't find a girl? Or how is it like?
Could I stand up in a corner and drink it?
What is the best way to approach a girl here? It's like, hey mommy, or hey.
Really, I can't approach a girl here right now because all females find it offended. So,
Oh.
yeah.
And I see a lot of like Belizean girls, man, they wear like really short, very super, man, like flash, you know, like
Yeah.
see what I got, you know. Yeah, you can tell from the video.
What
See.
your mama gave you.
Oh man, like I'm loving this. So let me ask you, like, what is the procedure? What's the procedure of like first date here? First date. Let's say
First date.
I'm meeting you for the first time. Should I invite you to my house, or we cook, or I take you to a restaurant?
Well,
Let her speak. I see, like she's
Yeah,
too
you have
silent.
opinion.
Yeah.
What's your opinion?
Well, me, I'm shy, so
Come on, Hazel.
whatever.
No, yeah. What are the procedures of like a first date?
What do you like? What's your
Take them
preference?
to the restaurant.
To the
To the
restaurant.
restaurant first?
well, I'm a shop girl. I want to go to the store.
Oh,
You wanna go where?
Oh.
To the store. Oh, you're not
What,
sure.
Get some new clothes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Get your nails?
Wow.
You
So,
like to be treated.
and you is more of a restaurant
Yeah.
and good food.
I like it.
So
Then-
big sheets.
Then from there, from the good food.
Guacamole.
Uh-huh.
How about a walk on the beach or, so, you know, talk?
Depends. Yeah.
Take me to the
Depends if
beach.
the restaurant was nice.
Man, they've been so nice to us, giving us their time. What's your like last advice for a guy coming to Belize to look for love?
You're talking to the
Maybe
whole
just
world.
a dream like, hey man, I wanna go to Belize and meet these cute girls. What is like your advice? Let's say they're coming here, they don't know anybody, it's their first time, and
My advice: find the right girl.
find the right girl.
Yeah.
How can I
No,
find?
that one is just come and party and be pretty.
Yeah,
That's
man.
why I find the right girl. 'Cause,
They're really cute, man. Look how cute they are, like, and man, they dress to kill, you know, like yeah. Until the driver of the car is just rotating around, you know. He's not going away.
Hey, thank you for keeping it real, okay?
Yeah, thank you. And I wanna put your Instagrams here at the end. So guys, please check their Instagrams. Maybe in the link below or right here on the screens. Yeah.
Yes.
And say welcome to Belize, you know.
Welcome to
Welcome to Belize.
Yeah, thank you. That's
More
super.
time here.